There is a full wolf moon in the sky tonight and on your nails. Up next. Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi. So today's set is going to honor tonight's supermoon. It is the wolf moon, the first full moon of 2026. We're going to do two colors, primarily two colors. This beautiful, like Tiffany blue almost, and two white nails as well. And since it's a wolf moon, and I've had these water decals literally for years and was not sure how I wanted to use them and decided today was the day to figure it out. So we're going to cut 3 of them out and we're going to put 3 wolves on the nails. We're going to do 3 nails with wolves. Wow. I'm so good at the talking, guys. And here we go. After about a minute, the stickers, they're not stickers, they're decals. They just slide right off. And if you leave it in there for too long, they'll just float right off the paper. And you'll still be able to use them. They won't be broken or anything, but they will just float right off the paper. So once you get them, I'm just trimming a little more here. Once you get them in the water, just keep an eye on them. Once that paper is fully saturated, usually you can go ahead and start sliding it off. So just test it. If it doesn't move right away super easily, then just give it another minute or so and it'll come right up. And then while it's still wet, press it down on the nail where you want. And as you can see, it will move. So you can really get it lined up where you like. And then I like to take a paper towel or whatever you're using, no lint cloths or whatever, something absorbent, and just press down on it to make sure that all the water like squeezes out of the back of it. That way you're not putting any top coat, just like this, top coat or base coat on top of water. You don't want to do that. Now, the other 2 nails are going to get a stamping treatment. We're not done with those water decal nails though yet. So stick around because we're going to make them basically the edges disappear. That's the one thing with water decals like that is that if they don't fit the entire nail, they have a hard border. So we're going to fix that. Now, these are just moon images that I have on these stamping plates that I love. We've had these in the collection for a few months now. And honestly, I get so much use out of them. They're some of my favorite plates that I have. So if you've been looking for some good planet, moon, mystical, witchy sort of plates, I would highly recommend them. And of course, everything I use today will be listed in the description. And while you're down there, don't forget we do have a coupon code to save 20% with Savalon. So now what we're going to do is a little marble, and that is how we are going to disappear the edges of those water decals, because it is kind of a hard edge, right? So what I'm going to do is put down some blooming gel. You do want to do a base coat on top of your decals to keep them from moving around. Then put a blooming gel on top and come in with tendrils, just tendrils of the marble. You want to get the color, but not too thick, right? And we do have a deeper blue in there as well to pull in some of the deeper blues that you see in the decals. And we're just going to use it around the edges and pull it into the rest of the nail. And that gives you almost a smoky or foggy sort of feeling. And the wolves are sort of emerging from that fog or that mist or smokiness, whatever. Now on this one, there's a lot of red on one side. So I'm just going to work from the side that has blue and pull that blue through. I could have tried to pull some red into the marble, but I decided to keep it all really consistent. Okay, there you go. But that little splash of red looks really good on the pinky, so I'm not upset about it. but here we are doing our top coat. Guys, this is one of the easiest sets that you can possibly do, but it is just so stunning and beautiful. And it's definitely going to be something that catches the eye. So people are going to ask you about your nails, and you're going to be all, oh, these things, these old things, because they are stunning. Honoring the beautiful supermoon we're going to have tonight, the wolf moon. These nails, they're fit for anyone who loves to celebrate the moon or just loves wolves. Guys, I want to thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that the beginning of this year has been good for you, even though we're only 3 days in. We are going to see you next week for lots more nail art. And until then, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.